Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. Today in this video of Instagram trick, we will see how to unblock someone on Instagram. So without further delays, let's get into our video. First of all, just open Instagram and after that go to your profile and here just tap on these three bars. After that just select settings and here there are different options, so you have to select privacy. After that, if you scroll down, and here you can see the option of blocked accounts. So this is the list of blocked accounts, and if I want to unblock this person, then I will just tap on this unblock and this person is removed from my blocked accounts list. Okay, so this is how you can unblock someone on Instagram. Hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.